Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the Mademax Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump, a fantastic addition to any garden or patio. If you're looking to bring some charm and eco-friendliness to your outdoor space, this might just be the perfect fit. So, what makes the Mademax Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump stand out? This little gem measures 6.3 inches in length and width, with a sleek design that blends seamlessly into your garden decor. Made from durable plastic and powered entirely by solar energy, it's not just a fountain pump. It's a sustainable choice that keeps on giving. Setting it up is a breeze. Just place it in a bird bath, small pond, or even a large bowl of water, and voila! It starts pumping water within seconds when exposed to sunlight. No cords, no batteries, just pure solar efficiency. Now, what really sets the Mademax apart are the 6 different nozzles it comes with. Whether you prefer a gentle sprinkle or a lively cascade, there's a nozzle for every mood. It's like having your own customizable water show right in your backyard. Speaking of which, this little pump can reach a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters. Creating a mesmerizing effect that not only attracts birds but also adds a soothing ambiance to your outdoor space. And let's not forget about functionality. The Mademax is designed to stay put in the center of your bird bath, thanks to its clever retainer that prevents water from splashing out. It's thoughtful touches like these that make a big difference in usability. Maintenance? Piece of cake. Just make sure to use clean water and place it in direct sunlight. While it might not perform as well on cloudy days, the Mademax is built to last with proper care, ensuring hours of enjoyment for you and your feathered friends. Whether you're enhancing a garden, adding charm to a patio, or simply creating a relaxing oasis, the Mademax Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump is your ticket to a more vibrant outdoor experience. So, there you have it, the best solar water fountain for your patio and garden. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor space with a touch of nature and innovation, check out the Mademax Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump. Links are in the description below. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. See you soon.